We supply the right machine to the right person at the right price. We are Laser and Aesthetics, your independent industry advisors. The PermaICE Supreme Diode Laser will revolutionize your aesthetic business. Using outdated and ineffective hair removal methods stops now. This device is a more effective and more efficient hair removal solution. The PermaICE Supreme is the latest addition to the Perma range. It offers something truly unique. With just one handpiece, you have the ability to alter the spot size without the need to buy additional handpieces, saving you money on purchases and maintenance costs. This innovative feature sets the PermaICE Supreme apart from other laser hair removal machines. But that's not all. The PermaICE Supreme is a multi-wavelength diode laser, delivering high-powered energy simultaneously to the skin and targeting different structures within the hair follicle. Simultaneous delivery of multiple wavelengths is guaranteed to give the best possible results to your clients. So, what are these wavelengths and how do they work? Let's break it down. First, the 808 nm wavelength is capable of deep penetration of the hair follicle, making it safe for all skin types except for type 6. Next, the Alexandrite 755 nm wavelength offers more powerful energy absorption, making it ideal for most hair types and colors. Finally, the ND-YAG 1064 nm wavelength is more focused for darker skin types. It also offers the deepest penetration for the hair follicle. You can purchase the PermaICE Supreme Diode Laser straight from Laser and Aesthetics. Don't let your business fall behind in the ever-growing demand for laser hair removal. The PermaICE Supreme Diode Laser is the perfect solution to bring your business to the next level. Visit our website and download the brochure to learn more about the PermaICE Supreme and how it can benefit your business today.